everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative, showing you the new mini kit, and hiding under here is the new stamp. It's called Teacup Builder, and of course you can build your own teacup up. So there's little tags with cute little sayings and little flowers and different shapes you can put on the cup. So it is super fun little stamp set. So that's in the kit. Also in the kit is this laser cut. There are a whole bunch of sayings on there. The ideas and inspiration book full of ideas. You get this little cut apart sheet which works with our number 4 cut apart die and our number 6, but of course you could just cut them out if you wanted to. And these are the papers. So fun little double-sided pattern papers that you can use for your cards if you want to. So lots of cute little papers, and that is what's in the kit. Okay, our 2 add-ons for this month are of course the fussy cutting die, which matches the stamp set. And we have a cute little stencil, so a sweet little trellis stencil, which the girls have used. So let me show you, these are Ashley's cards, she bought them in for me, and let me show you, she has used that trellis on the back, and these are our nesting rectangles with the scallop and the, not scallop, straight one. See the little stamp she's put on there? So they're all different sayings that you can use. That thank you is on the laser cut sheet, and she's used this here is one of our slimline border dies. Another cute one with the trellis in the background with our blending brushes. We are a perfect blend, how cute. This is using the flowers that are on the stamp set and the laser cut up there for the best wishes. Another laser cut, and this is another one of our border dies. And we've got the embossing folder, the dots one in the background. And that love is from last month's slimline die for our mini kit, and this is our border die on the mini. Quickly show you some of the other cards the girls have made, stacking up the teacups. That's a fun idea, and beautiful slimline cards with those flowers. Lots of fun cards. So this mini kit is now available on our website and is shipping to you. Thanks guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.